Now welcome to Guesto's Chef Kitchen.
अपर्णा, आम्ही आमच्या व्ह्युअर्सां खातीर नवीन नवीन डिशेस घेऊन येत असतात. आयजूय हांगा म्हाका मगो मशरूम, चीज आणि वेलकम शेफ.
Thank you.
कौन सा डिश आज?
This is mushroom tart.
मशरूम टाट. टाट means
It's basically this is the base which makes out of refined flour and all the things in it. We bake it and we make the saute of we do the mixture of the mushroom and all.
Okay.
And then we stuff it on the top. We gratin it. We put the cheese on the top. We gratin it and it's kind of your appetizer thing.
एक वेगळी डिश आसा पोया ही आसा.
Let's start.
Yes.
What are the ingredients? Can you tell us?
This is refined flour. This is salt, white pepper powder, carrot, onion, celery, butter, cheese, mushroom, tart, and the milk.
Okay.
We'll first make the roux with the butter and the refined flour. This is both the mixture called the roux in the French term.
You're adding butter now.
Yes. Add butter in it. Some refined flour in it. After just let it be melt and then put the butter.
Okay.
Refined flour. Otherwise, what will happen? It starts taking out the lumps of it. It will be very difficult to cook it.
अविनाश आम्ही इतल्यो डिशेस दाखयल्या तातूंतली एक मातशी
वेगळी डिश आसा. ह्याच्या आधी आम्ही एकदा मशरूमाची दाखयल्ली एका डिश.
या बट दॅट वर लायक पकोडा काइंड
पकोडा.
After cooking it, you'll get the little bit biscuit kind of flavor out of it.
Yeah.
So that is the time you have to take out from the flame.
Okay.
So otherwise it will get this color of the thing, or getting the dark color of it.
Oh.
Now we'll boil the milk. Just boil.
ये भी कितना है मिल्क?
ये 200 ml है. Don't put it. It's the 150 ml we have added.
Okay, 150 ml.
And as per the requirement of the thickening of the sauce, we'll add the roux in it.
Okay. This is called as roux.
Roux.
Okay.
So both the mixture, refined flour and the butter which is cooked together, it's called roux.
This is basically a French dish.
Yes. Boil. Then we'll add a little bit of the roux in it.
Okay.
We'll make the sauce thicker up and we'll season with the salt and pepper.
Okay, fine.
Some people use cream also for this
Yes.
instead of milk.
Yes. They use cooking cream.
Okay.
That cream will not get curdled when you put it on a heat. That cream will not get curdled, and then direct make a mixture out of it, and then you put it on the tart, gratin it, and serve it.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll start with a little bit of
Roux.
when you put the roux in it, you just keep whisking the milk.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the granules of the roux will not be there in the thing.
Okay.
Okay.
If you put it directly, hold the things in it, no, the sauce will become very thickened, and you don't get the proper texture of the final product.
Okay.
That's why you take in precaution that whenever you making the sauce thicken, no, the thickening agent should be the proper one.
I think once it cools down, it thickens more.
Yes, that's why. We want a saucy consistency, not the
Yeah.
cutting consistency like cake consistency.
Okay.
That should not be there. We'll put a little bit of salt in it. A little bit of refined flour with this white pepper. in it. Now you see it's starting thicker now.
Yeah.
We'll put a little bit of the roux in it, so we'll get the proper consistency, proper thickness of the sauce. Not much. Now this is the good one. Because when we are making this stuffing with the mushroom, no, we'll cook it again
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Cook it with the mushrooms. So it will get again thicker and thicker. Now we'll make the stuffing out of the things.
Okay. Fine.
We'll put some of oil. We'll put some onion. We'll salt a little bit. Some carrot in it. Some celery in it.
Okay.
Not so much because it has a very strong flavor in it.
Yeah.
Okay. We can add any other vegetables.
Yeah, you can add any other vegetable. You want to mix like carrot, some corn,
Okay.
some mushroom, broccoli, like cauliflower. Anything else you want it, you can add it.
पण तू म्हणता तशी वेगवेगळी
Bhaji,
भाज्यांची
yeah.
टेस्ट येते.
Because I think kids, especially kids,
Kids,
will like
बरोबर.
it. You have not boiled mushroom.
No, it has to saute properly. When you boil, the flavor goes with the water.
Okay.
Here, when you saute it with the mirpo or something like onion, carrot, and celery, with it, that flavor infused in the own thing. So you'll get the proper mushroom flavor in it. You add little salt in it, it will get cooked very fast. With that, I'll put some white pepper in it.
व्हाइट पेपर छोड़ के आपने और कौन सा स्पाइस यूज नहीं किया?
As per the requirement of the dish, you can add it. No problem. If you want it, like Indian people like the spicy things, so you can have it in the chili flakes in it.
We can add it.
You can add it.
मशरूमाचं एक बरा वास सुटलेला आहे.
Mushroom is half done now. You reduce the flame.
Okay.
And then put the sauce in it.
Okay. The
So,
sauce
हाँ.
which we have.
So the mushroom will not get overcooked. The sauce will not get over thickened.
Okay.
And you will get the proper texture and the body of the sauce. Stuffing. Now we'll not season the things again. Because we have put the salt and pepper in that sauce also,
Sauce also,
and we have added the mushroom also. Even though in India we get the cheese that which has a salt, enough salt in it
Yeah.
for the preservatives also. So we'll not add some more seasonings. So you'll get the proper taste when you have the final product. Otherwise it can be the salty.
Okay.
The stuffing is ready. Now we'll stuff the tarts with the mixture.
This tarts are, I guess, easily available in the market, right? Ready-made.
Yes, you'll get it wherever you want to go. With your regular market also you'll get it. Even though now in the malls you will get the things.
I think you get sizes also.
Yeah, in the different sizes, in the different shapes, you will get the tarts now.
You can tell our viewers whether instead of mushroom you can add something else.
Yes, I told you that you can put any kind of vegetable, even the chicken, fish,
But
seafood.
preparation is same.
Yeah, preparation the same thing. If somebody wants to put a wine in it, you can have it.
Okay.
Some brandy in it, no problem. You'll get the nice flavor out of the wine, brandy.
So अविनाश एका डिशीन तू व्हेरिएशन हाडून
Variation.
कितलेशेच करू शकता तरेचे.
मी ऑप्शन असा सगळे व्ह्यूअर्स
Yeah.
की तुम्ही
It's not
चिकन
compulsory. You
मशरूम
have to have mushrooms
बरोबर.
at home.
Chicken, even beef also you can have it.
ओके द प्रोसेस इज सेम
Process is same. We'll directly gratinate the things. Cheese on the top. We have grated the cheese on the top. Now we'll do the gratination in the salamander. You can see. Wow. The cheese is completely melted.
एकदम मेल्ट झाल्या. I can't wait more.
You can see there is no lot of moisture in it, so you can pick up the tart with the spoon.
So this is very important that batter has to be thick. So the mushroom tart is ready. Something different. Usually जे तुम्ही घरान करता तातून मातशे थोडे variation हाडल्यार I think you will get a different dish. So let's taste it. Very nice. Though you have used very less of spices or like no spices except a white pepper, but it has given a nice flavor. It's not very sweet also. So this was a seafood treat at Antique Mardol.
हे सी फूड कशें असलें त्याची टेस्ट कशी असली हे कळोवपाक मात्र आमकां विसरो नाकात.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
For now, bye bye.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
And don't forget to watch our next episode at the same day and same time.
Till then, keep watching Prudent. Now welcome to guest host.
परत हे नुस्तें म्हणजे असो चाकू कसो धरला तो सारको कसो धरू
अशें धरता नुस्तें.